We'll guide you through how to make a Game Pass and please donate. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. We're covering this on both a phone and a computer, so make sure this full guide and you're going to know what to do step by step. So in order to go and get donations in Please Donate, you need to go and have a Game Pass, which is why we're guiding you through this. And in fact, you can go and create multiple. So just to go and guide you through what currently happens, if we come to an unclaimed stand, as you can see, we run up to it, we can go and hold E or click here to go and claim it. You're going to go and see at the moment, I haven't got any, meaning I can't go and get donations. And what I want to do is go and do this. So to go and get started, we need to come out of Please Donate. Press the Roblox icon in the top left, and we can then go and press leave and confirm our decision. Do the same thing on a mobile, go to the top left and press on the Roblox icon, then we can go and press leave. We can confirm our decision. If you're on a computer, you should come to the Roblox website. So go and open up a web browser and you want to go and type in roblox.com, as I've already done here. Now, what you need to do is you want to come to the top left and you can go and press home like this. This is where you're going to be brought. If you're on a phone, it's very similar. What you can do is just come onto the Roblox app. You don't need to go and use the site, so don't worry about that. Now on a computer, what you need to do is you need to go to the top and you need to go and find the option for create. You can go and click there like so. Now in some cases, you may get brought to a landing page, but what you need to do is go to the top and you can go and press on dashboard. Then you're going to be brought here. And what we can then do is head over to the left and you can find the option for creations like so. Now, if you're on a phone, it's a little bit different. What you want to do is go and head to the bottom right and you can go and press on more and that'll go and open up this menu here. Now, what you want to do is you want to go and scroll down, find the option for create and you want to go and click there like this. Then what you want to do is go to the top left and press the 3 lines. You can go down the list and find creations. Here we are. Now by default, everybody is going to go and have a place here. This is generated as soon as you go and make your Roblox account. So what you want to do is you want to go and click on it like so, make sure in experiences and then my experiences and you'll see it. Go and click on it. Do the same thing on a phone, go and click on it. I found on a phone, you do sometimes need to go and click twice like this and here we are. Now what you need to do is come down on the left here and there's a lot of information here, but don't worry, don't get confused. You want to come down to the monetization section. If it isn't expanded, click on it. And in here, we need to go and find passes. Go and click on it. On a phone, what you need to do is go and press the 3 lines in the top left, then go and scroll down until we go and find monetization. Once again, click on it if needed to expand it, and you can find passes. Here we are. Now, what you can do is you can go and scroll down, and we want to find the option for create a pass. We can do that on a computer as well. So what we're going to do here is we're going to go and create a Game Pass, and we can then put it on sale. And when an item's on sale, it will then go and appear on our stand and Please Donate. We're going to walk you through this. So you can go and press create a pass. At the top, you've got the option to go and add in an image. You don't have to though, that is optional. What you do need to do is go and type in a name. Go and type in what you want it to go and be. Just go and make sure it's appropriate and within the Roblox rules, of course. Now, what you can do is go and add in a description. That is optional. And you can then go and press create pass, like so. Now, in the list, go and find the pass you've done this with. If you just got the one, you can go and click on it. For example, on a mobile, I can scroll down and find it and then go and click on it. Once again, I may need to go and tap twice. Then on a computer, you can just go over to the left and go and find sales. On a phone, you need to go and press the 3 lines in the top left. Then you can go down and press sales. What we can do is go and switch on item for sale. Now the default price is going to go and be the amount the button is. So that's going to be 15 in my case. What you can do is unselect enable regional pricing and press save changes. And you can do the same thing on a mobile and that's it. You can now go and repeat that and make more Game Passes. Now what we can do is we can come and return to Please Donate. So I've just come back to the Roblox site. Now just to show you this is working, let's come to an unclaimed stand and we'll run up to it and go and claim it. And as you can see, there we have it. We have now got the Game Pass. It's that simple.